also going to work on what we call the twist step. And it's just an advancement of what Chi walking is. So normally I'm not too concerned about what footwear you have on. But today I do want you to make sure that either you're barefoot or you have shoes that you can really pivot well in. I don't want you in shoes that are real grippy, real thick shoes, because I don't want you to injure your knee. Also make sure that your surface is going to interact well with whatever shoe or no shoes that you have on so that you can smoothly pivot. So the twist step. Normally in our Chi walking, we're bringing our weight forward and we're opening up from the dantian, bringing all our weight over that front leg and then stepping forward, right? We move and we twist just a little bit, right? We rotate just a little bit. But ideally in the movements, part the wild horse's mane, brush knee, and Fair Lady works the shuttle, we're actually going to do what we call the twist step. So it starts just like that Chi walking, bringing your weight, left foot forward, bringing a little bit of weight onto that left. Rock back. Now as you turn, you're truly going to turn from that dantian and you're going to move both feet so now they're pointed in the same direction. So I'm going to show it to you this way and then we'll work together on it. With the twist step, like I said, you're bringing a little bit of weight forward, rocking back. Then as you twist this foot, you bring your weight over, then you twist that back foot. And you can see I'm on the ball of my foot. This is how you want to be moving with that twist step. Then you're going to bring your weight forward. Notice how fluid my feet are. They're moving a lot. My back foot is adjusting, then my front foot, then my back foot. So let's do that again. As I step forward, notice my feet. And see how I adjust that front foot to twist out. Then as I bring my weight onto this leg, I can adjust that back foot so that it's pointing now in this same direction. Then as I step forward, I don't want to leave this back foot pointing out like this. As I rock forward, the weight's now on the front, I'm free to adjust that back foot. Then as the weight comes back, I adjust the front foot. Then as the weight comes forward, I adjust that back foot. So you can see there's lots of pivoting, very fluid motion with my feet. When I was teaching the twist step in my studio, one of my students said, "Am I still being rooted and grounded with that much movement in my feet?" And I said, yes, absolutely. I don't want you to think of rooted and grounded as being glued to the ground. You're still rooted and grounded with the twist step. You're still feeling the ground. You're still adjusting to the ground, feeling those roots growing out deep and wide. And it's interesting, with the twist step, you're actually freer, more free, whatever you want to say. It's actually easier to lower your center of gravity because as you twist, now your body is able to lower down and you're able to extend that step just a little bit and keep yourself low if you keep that twist step going. So yes, you are still very much rooted and grounded even though your feet are being that fluid. So now I'm going to turn this direction and let's take a few steps together with that twist step. As you step forward, bringing the weight onto that left, rocking back. Now as you turn that left foot, bring the weight onto the left, you can turn the right foot as well. Then you bring the right foot forward, adjust that left foot, turning that right foot, now the left foot can turn as well. So as we're doing this twist step, you can also see how that substantial and insubstantial is very important, because you need to know where that weight is if you're going to be able to pivot your feet, right? You can't pivot the foot if all the weight's on that foot. You have to release that weight, then you can start to pivot. And so the fluidity marries with that substantial and insubstantial, that rocking back and forth.